Alright, in this example we're going to look at how to solve a trig equation. So in this equation we have 4 sine squared theta equals 1, and our goal is to solve for theta. We're going to find all of the angles that make this equation true, and in this problem it does specify that we're looking for values of theta that are greater than or equal to 0 but less than 2 pi. So basically within one revolution of the unit circle we're going to find all of the angles that make this equation true. So let's get started. The first step, we're going to have to divide both sides by 4. And that's going to give me sine squared theta equals 1/4. And then to get rid of the squared, we're going to take the square root of both sides. And that's going to give me sine theta equals 1/2. Now remember, when you take the square root of both sides, you do get a plus and a minus half. And recall that in the unit circle, sine is y. So we're going to find all the angles of theta that have a y coordinate of either positive 1/2 or negative 1/2. And so to do that, we're going to go to the unit circle, and we're looking for all of the y coordinates that are positive half or negative half. Positive half, positive half, negative half, negative half. So there's 4 solutions to this equation, and those answers are going to be pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. So let's write those down again. Theta in this case is going to be pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. And that's all of the angles that are within this range from 0 to 2 pi that are going to satisfy this equation.